Welcome back to Bao News Network. We are actually looking at our weather across the country, and we're taking a closer look at some of the high temperatures across the continental United States. If you're new to this channel, please by all means go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We take a look at the weather pretty regularly and put together weather specials just for our subscribers. We can see that in the Central Plains, the temperatures have been heating up into the mid 90s to the low 100s, and if we see in Seattle along the coast of the Pacific Northwest, temperatures have been cooling down quite a bit. We see in San Francisco 56 degrees, LA in the afternoon 69 degrees, but we do see in the regions that is severely plagued by severe drought as well as brushes of wildfires in the region of Arizona, Arizona in the mid 90s. Only recently, we were there in Arizona and we saw a lot of parched land in the region in southeastern Arizona. So there have been different wildfires that have been popping up all across the Southwest. Hopefully, we may get a little extra precipitation, which will increase the chances of putting out many of those wildfires that our firefighters are bracing in that region. We do see that temperatures are for Houston, Dallas are in the mid 80s, Miami in the low mid 80s, also Atlanta 80, as well as New York City 73 degrees. We do see that in the Central Plains there's been quite a bit of rough weather. If we take a closer look right now, we can actually see in the region of North Dakota, which is one of the spots that we're looking at for severe weather. Several funnel clouds have actually touched down in the latter evening in the North Dakota region. We do see that in the regions of Niagara and Grand Forks, that we do see some extreme severe weather, and we do anticipate, based on our infrared image, going to be severe weather in the region of North Dakota as well as along the southern Great Lakes in the region of northern Illinois, Minnesota region. And we're also taking a closer look at showers, scattered showers in the region of North Florida along the Pensacola area, just south of Gainesville. And we do see that pattern of moisture that's actually coming up along the southeastern states such as Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi, all the way into the lower Tennessee and lower Tennessee Valley into Kentucky, going all the way up into the region of the southern Great Lakes. So we are taking a closer look at severe weather patterns, but most notably, we are seeing these patterns in the region of North Dakota with quite a bit of severe thunderstorm cells that are actually popping up in the region. If we take a look at the severe weather forecast for based on the special predictive forecast for the region, we do see that severe thunderstorms are forecasted along that alley that we were, or region that we were looking at, which was Louisiana, Alabama into Arkansas, Tennessee Valley, and we do see those severe severe thunderstorm threats for the region of northern Illinois into the southern Great Lakes, and of course we see that region in the North Dakota region also. That is, we see some really powerful cells. We can actually go back to our Doppler radar, and we can actually see those severe cells in the North Dakota region actually popping up, and it's pretty severe. You can see those three funnel cloud sightings by local spotter reporters in the region, and we're going to be monitoring the severe weather in that region going forward into the latter part of tonight into tomorrow. So as we take a look at our um, uh, infrared forecasting, we can actually see that Additional thunderstorms are anticipated for possibly central Florida. We do anticipate more convection in the region of North Dakota and also across into Minnesota, into northern Illinois. Those areas will be anticipating additional thunderstorm activity throughout into the evening, into tomorrow early morning. And we do anticipate scattered thunderstorms in the southeastern states such as northern Alabama, northern Georgia, into Tennessee. If we take a closer look at what's called the temperature anomalies, we see a little of a cooling trend in the region of Wyoming, Montana, also Idaho, as well as Nebraska into that region, South Dakota. Of course, we see above normal temperatures for regions such as Nevada, and we do see Las Vegas there, 20 degrees above normal for as far as temperature anomalies, and significant temperature anomalies as far as on the high end for regions in central California, from anywhere from 10 to 14 degrees, and that is going to increase the likelihood of additional wildfires that have been popping up. And we do know, taking a look at the Dixie wildfire, that has been very, very severe in the region as far as California and the southwest into the region. But we do anticipate also that reservoirs and lakes such as Lake Powell, Lake Mead will continue to record historic lows, and in many cases, these provide hydroelectric power for millions of residents. And we do know of one significant lake that has actually contributed to one of the hydroelectric plants actually being taken offline as a result of the historic low. So we are seeing a significant impact from various elements of climate change, whether you're looking at it from the point of view of climate change or simply a hot summer. There are elements that suggest that, based on just the historic levels of the reservoirs, Lake Mead, Lake Powell, and many others, that it's going to be significantly impacting the availability of hydroelectric power, which provides electricity for millions of people in the southwest region, and also powers a grid and possibly sells electricity to other states also. So we are looking at severe impact as far as very, very high temperatures in the region. We're going to be continuing to monitor. Keep in mind also, we're taking a closer look at what's called potential tropical cyclone 6, which is just kind of anchored just in the area of the Leeward Islands near Martinique, along those Leeward Islands, and we are seeing a potential for in the next 5 days formation of 90%. It is low. It is moving very, very slowly at west northwest, and sustained winds at this particular time are about 35 miles per hour. But it is something that we are watching, and it's being referred to by the National Hurricane Center at this time as potential tropical cyclone 6. So, and it's in the region of the Leeward Islands in the area of Saint Vincent, Barbados, Martinique region. So we're going to be taking a kind of monitoring that for activity and development into seeing what kind of cyclonic event may turn out to be, and if it's going to impact any of the islands as it makes its way on a west northwest track, and possibly develop into an additional storm with additional development. But we'll continue to monitor the situation with potential tropical cyclone 6. We do see, taking a closer look at states such as Texas and also Kansas, Nebraska, and that region into the South and North Dakota, that we do see some escalating temperatures, but we do see a cooling off sort of section just in the region of Wyoming as well as Idaho. So we're going to continue to monitor weather across the continental United States, and we do see from our infrared radar tonight that we do see that severe dryness in the region of the southwest, but we do see some shower activity in the region of Louisiana, Alabama, ranging all the way up into the Tennessee Valley, with potential severe thunderstorms off the coast of southwest coast of Florida at this time. And of course, we're keeping an eye on the severe weather in the region of North Dakota at this time, into the region of North Dakota and Minnesota. So that is our weather going into August 9th. And we are continuing to monitor weather here at Bound News Network. Of course, smash that notification bell for our latest notification of changes in the weather. And also, please share this video if it's been helpful for you as far as monitoring the weather across the continental United States. And we assure you that we'll continue to monitor the Caribbean for while we're in hurricane season for developments as far as severe cyclonic activity that may be impacting the Caribbean as well as the continental United States. So thank you for watching Bound News Network. We appreciate all of our subscribers, and smash that notification bell, smash that like button please, so that we can share this video with others on YouTube. And have a great day, and thank you for watching Bound News Network, and always remember to bow to the weather and have a great day.